It's raining. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hold you this time, so it's gonna be like we're spinning together. This spin. This is so fun. Some cultures, they see rain as symbolizing abundance and how much is going to flow into your life, all of the beauty. I just think it's beautiful. I think you're beautiful too. I put on some pants and took my necklace off, but the rain, what's the word? The rain lightened up again, so I'm gonna watch it, and if it picks back up, we're gonna go do cartwheels. A wet bird! Oh my gosh, she's wet. I think the rest of the storm is passing. The sun just came out, so it's like really beautiful right now. Maybe we'll have a rainbow, but I'm still gonna do some cartwheels to say thank you for the rain, because I've been wishing for rain lately. Like something in my spirit just wanted to dance and do cartwheels in the rain. And it's sprinkling a little right now, so maybe it'll come back, but I'm about to do some cartwheels and just say thank you for the rain, because it's quite beautiful, like you. Look at my toe, I gotta leave. It's picking up, so I may be able to actually do a cartwheel in the rain. We'll see. The sky's talking. We'll see if it rains. It came back! I love you. I adore you. Go dance in the rain and have a beautiful day. There's the rainbow.